Yo, what up everyone, welcome to this video, and in today's video we are doing the 0.1 Solana meme coin trading challenge. I have 0.1 Solana loaded up on my wallet and we're going to see how much I'm going to turn this 0.1 Solana into by the end of today's video. So yeah, I'm going to just scanning for coins, and once I found a coin, I will be showing you guys exactly how I found the coin, why I'm buying this. I'm going to show you guys literally all of my thesis. I will be live trading with you guys in this video. So yeah, it's going to be a really good video. Before we get started, I quickly wanted to say, if you want to buy or sell Solana meme coins, go use Pedra. It's the best Solana meme coin trading platform out there. If you're still using Radium or Jupiter or any other platform, you need to switch to Pedra. It just got acquired by Pumpfin, literally meaning every single new feature that's get added to Pumpfin will immediately be switched over and transferred over to Pedra as well. So all of the other platforms are already outdated. So go check out Pedra, it has the most features. If you use the first link in the description below, you can literally get 40% off fees plus a 40% cashback on every single trade you do. So go check it out, first link in the description below. Make sure to use my link, it would really help me out. And you can literally get 40% of fees plus a 40% cashback. So go check it out. I'm using Pedra as well in today's video. And yeah, I'm going to be just searching for coins. I'm going to be using Pedra. I'm also going to be using CallScan to find what other KOLs are buying. We're going to use Twitter as well to research coins, of course, for any new coins. And of course Dex Screener to just look at the coins, what is trending right now, what is looking good. So yeah, that's what we're going to be using in today's video. But mostly we're just going to be looking at the new pair stop here over on Pedra. And I'm going to just see and take a look at the new pair stop, and once I found a new coin that may be interesting to buying, which can make us a profit, I will let you guys know, and I will show you guys exactly why I bought it, why I'm looking at it, why is it doing good, how did I find it, everything guys. So yeah, I will just now search for a coin and I will let you guys know once I found a coin. Alright, so I think I may or may not just found the first coin. I'm just immediately going to A before it goes up even higher. So I just bought 0.05 Solana into this project. Why did I bought this coin? Well, I just found it on the new pair step, and we just got that thing happening with Peanut and also KitKat. So we remember Peanut that got killed by like a police officer. We now have KitKat. It basically did the same thing, but then it got killed by a Waymo car, and this has been doing really good. And yeah, there's now a movement called Hell No Waymo or something, and that's why I bought this coin. It's just a really good narrative in my opinion. I don't really know how high it can go. I mean, we're 0.01 Solana in profits basically. It's nothing too crazy, but I do think I will be selling this really soon here. So let's see. Maybe I will sell it for like a, I don't know. I think I'm going to sell 50. Nah, I'm going to sell everything right now. I don't really care. We just made some money here, I think. Let me check. Alright, so we didn't really make that much money on Waymo, unfortunately. I mean, we did buy right here and sell right here. That's like a 13k market cap difference. So we only made 0.015, which is like $3. But I mean, for a start, it is definitely good. And remember, we are only using 0.1 Solana. If this was a 1 Solana trade and we bought 0.5 Solana, this would have already been like a $20 profit. But because we're playing with such a small amount of money, yeah, it's just much harder, of course, to make big money. But I mean, the first trade was definitely a success. It went really quickly. That's with the things. Everything can go really quickly. It can go up really quickly, down really quickly. And that's why I immediately wanted to buy before I explained why it went so high. But yeah, it was just a really good narrative. I found it on the new pair step, and now it's also already almost migrating. It may go even higher, but I'm just not going to look at it anymore, and I'm going to find the next coin. So let's see if we can find a next coin just really quickly right here, and otherwise I will just skip over once I found another coin. So let's see. Alright, so I just found another coin right here. It's looking, I mean, it's interesting. I mean, it is looking pretty good. It does have some snipers and pretty big top holders, but this one doesn't have that much volume. So I may think that it can just slowly go up here a little bit. I mean, it's a pretty nice website and everything. You can generate your own pill, so it just looks pretty decent. So I think it could go just a little bit higher right here. So I think I'm going to buy another 0.05 Solana of this. I don't really know if this is the smartest idea. Maybe I'll just buy a little bit more if it goes up just a little bit more. But yeah, I think it could potentially do good here. I see some potential here though in the narrative and just how it looks. It could do good, so let's see. I'm just going for like a quick scalp again. I'm not looking for anything crazy. So let's see. Alright, that's 0.08. So how did I find this? Well, again on the new pairs list. I just checked out the Twitter and the website. It looks pretty decent. I mean, pills, it's of course from the Pump Fun pill, which is good. It's a good narrative. I mean, it's slowly going up. I just don't really, I have a feeling this is going to work though. So I may or may not just sell for a 0.01 Solana profit here though. I don't really know. This is just what I do always. I just keep freaking scalping. We didn't even really make money on this though. That's kind of crazy. Simply because of the fees. So maybe this wasn't the best idea. But that's the thing. If you play with such a small amount of money, the fees can literally be more than how much you're making. So this we literally made, what was it? Like, I don't know. I think we made like 20% because the fees are so freaking high sometimes. Because of course, these are my fees. These are the fees I am using. You can literally change your fees yourself. So the fees I'm using are just a little bit higher than usual, simply because otherwise it takes longer to get into a project. But yeah, because we're literally playing with a $2 to $3 margin here, and the fees are like $1 to $2, it's pretty hard to make money. So we didn't even really make money here, so that's quite unfortunate. Let's see if the next one is going to be better. So yeah, I mean, we literally entered right here at 14.5k and sold at 16k. Normally that would have been a pretty nice little scalp here though. That would have been like a 21% profit. So on like 1 Solana you would have definitely made good money there. That would have been like 0.2 Solana, meaning like $40. But unfortunately, because of the slow and low amounts of money we're playing with, yeah, it's just really hard to make big money. You need to get like a 2 or 3x to make some good money. So let's hope the next trade we're doing can potentially be a 2 or 3x, or maybe if it's anything higher, of course, I'm taking that as well. Alright, so I just found another coin. I don't really think if this is going to be anything good, but I'm just going to buy for 0.5 Solana. Then we definitely did top last here. Let's hope we can quickly get out for like a crazy profit again. So why did I buy out this? Well, the narrative is again really good. We are seeing a lot of AI coins pop up recently, so it just perfectly fits into the narrative. We're seeing some KOLs buying this as well, so yeah, let's hope it can go up a little bit higher. I mean, it is getting some chop here though. So let's see. I mean, we're in profits already again. However, it's just not even enough to make a profit. That's the freaking thing. So we want to make sure, we want to just hope this goes a little bit higher. I bought this because some KOLs are in it as well. I just found it on Scan. I didn't find it on the new pairs list. But it looks decent. So let's see if we can go up from here. I don't know. The narrative is not that good though. So maybe I have to sell a little bit. I don't know. I mean, I don't know, another KOL just bought, which is quite nicely. It could potentially go a little bit higher. It's not that bad of a narrative. It's actually quite a good narrative. That's of course why I bought. So let's see. I mean, we're now up like 15% again. Normally that would have been pretty decent, but now it's just not. I think I'm going to sell for like a 30% profit. I'm just trying to scalp trade. That's what I normally do to make money. I literally showed you guys this as well here over on my latest video. However, because we're just playing with such a low amount of money, it's really hard to do so. So let's see. I mean, normally I would have already sold probably for like a 20% profit. Yeah, I don't know. It's looking not that good maybe. I don't know. I think I'm just going to sell. I don't really like the narrative that much. I was just hoping for a quick scalp. And the thing is, yeah, I just perfectly sold there though. Alright, I didn't really perfectly sold there. We lost like 0.03 Solana. That's quite unfortunate. So the thing is, I bought right here. Right here, and immediately it went up to like, what is it, another like 22% profit, 25. So normally I would have already sold, but because we're just playing with such a low amount of money, I want to make some bigger profits. Otherwise, yeah, you're just not really making money. So yeah, we lost quite a lot of money there, unfortunately, because we're just playing with such a low amount of money. It's absolutely insane. It is fine though, it is fine. I'm just going to keep looking, and I was just full port, I think. I mean, this was the coin. So yeah, we lost like, we entered right here. So yeah, we lost like 40% there. 40% of 0.5, that's like, yeah, we lost like, I don't know, 0.2 with some fees, 0.3. That's quite unfortunate. Let's hope the next one, we're just going to full port, and let's hope it just does a 10x from off the start. It will be absolutely perfect. Let's see. Alright, I may or may not just already found it. I literally paused for like 5 seconds. I think I'm just going to buy for 0.6. This could be something. I don't know. I'm hesitating. It is bundled quite heavily though. That's the thing. I mean, it is. If blocked, this is just a new. It's not even new. Is it a new tweet? Wait, let me quickly check. Yeah, this just got posted. If blockchains are working, they should be invisible. I mean, it is a good narrative though, I guess. Maybe not good enough. I don't know. I just quickly wanted to see what's going to happen. Yeah, it's definitely bundled. So the bundles are getting out right now. We can see the bundles are definitely going out. So maybe we want to buy right now. Maybe it could do something then, or it will just be dead. I don't really know. So we definitely saw that bundle going from like 15% to 2%. So I think it's dead right now though. It may be dead or not. I don't know. Damn, yep, we should have bought here. Damn, that would have been instant 2x. We should have bought. The bundles went out and then people started buying again. Now the bundles are in again, so this is probably going to keep chopping up and down for a little bit. I think I'm going to skip this one. Either way, it is a pretty fun narrative though. However, maybe not good enough, and it's definitely getting bundled like crazy. So yeah, we're just going to skip this one. We're going to be looking for another one. So I'm seeing a lot of soybean coins as well, which is kind of crazy. This one is going insane as well. Definitely bundled as well. Solana is made for people. Oh my god, this can do really, really good. Let me buy. I think this will do really, really good. I'm just buying right here. This is really, really fun. This is a really good narrative. It's by the creator of Solana. He literally says Solana is made of what he's saying is made of people. So yeah, I think this will do really good. Let's see. I'm just going to keep holding this for just a little bit here. Alright, we don't have enough freaking money to sell again. Alright, so I just deposited just a little bit more. We are capable of selling. So that's the problem as well. When you're just trading with such a low amount of money, it literally, sometimes if you just put all of your money into a coin, you literally cannot sell because of the fees. That's so freaking annoying. Also, this coin is just dumping like crazy. Let's see if it can still go up though. I mean, it is a freaking good narrative in my opinion. I don't know how this is not going higher though. Like, it's kind of crazy. We have let me quickly look at the holders. I'm just going to quickly scan what is happening right now, why it's just dumping. It could still go up though. I mean, there is just definitely a bundle in here though, which is quite unfortunate. In my opinion, it's a pretty good narrative. So I'm just keep holding this for just a little bit more. We're almost at average price again. And like I've said for like the 20th time right now in this video, if you normally play with like 0.5 or like the minimum is in my opinion 0.5, something like that. If you're playing with $100, then you don't have the issues with fees and you don't have the issues with not making money even though you're in a profit. Simply because with 0.1 it's just $18 right now. That's just not a lot. And that's also just why we're not making profits in this video. Normally I would have already been in quite some profit. So maybe I will make another video, but then that time I will be doing 1 Solana instead of 0.1. And maybe that is going to be better. Let's see. I think that could be much better. I'm just going to keep holding this for a little bit to see where it goes. Maybe I'll speed up everything what I'm doing right now. Let's see. Alright, well, it seems like this project is also just going to shit. I'm just going to sell here just to cover my losses. What happened was we entered, it immediately went a 50% up, something like that. So normally I would have sold again, but yeah, I was just busy literally depositing more money because I was not even capable of selling. So yeah, clearly I am not really good at trading meme coins with 0.1 Solana. Maybe I will try it again. Then I just have to set my fees to like 0.00001 Solana right here. And I just have to be more careful, and I shouldn't maybe be going for scalps, but more like for longer trades, for like a couple of hours maybe. So if you want to see more of these videos, maybe where I trade with 1 Solana, I think that can definitely be much better. So if you want to see that, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. Check out Padway, it's the best platform out there, especially if you're playing with a little bit more money. Like 0.2 to 0.5 Solana is perfect. Just 0.1 Solana is just a little bit too low. However, it is still possible. Go check out Padway, first link in the description below. And that being said, I hope I will see you guys in my next video.